Welcome to our sixth tutorial on Excel formulas and functions. Daily, we are sharing with you a practical demo on versatile Excel functions to streamline your data analysis and management. Today, we will unveil the incredible potential of combining the SUM and VLOOKUP function for data summation. Whether you are a beginner or an Excel expert, this technique will really help you a lot. Using VLOOKUP and SUM function helps you quickly find out the specified criteria and sum the corresponding values at the same time. This formula has lot of features like dynamic summation, flexibility, simple, accurate, and time saving. Now let's see this formula in action. Suppose we are looking up data for a specific item listed in cell K5 and we want to sum up its sales figure across multiple months from January to June. We will type the formula is equal to SUM function, which is wrapping the entire VLOOKUP function coming in next. This means that values returned by the VLOOKUP function will be summed up. Start parenthesis, combine it with VLOOKUP. This function is used to search for a value in the first column of a range. It stands for vertical lookup. Then start parenthesis, select cell K5, which is the lookup value. It's the value we want to search for in the first column of the range. Then comma, select the range to G12. This is the table array or the range of cells where Excel will search for the lookup value K5. It covers the column B to G and rows 3 to 12 in this case. Then place comma and start with curly braces. Then type the column numbers which we want to add, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which means that we want to add the figures of these columns. This is column index number or an array of column numbers from which we want to return values. In this case, we are specifying columns 2 to 7 as our lookup range. You may type any column number to add as per your requirement. We will practice in next example. This is the range lookup value. It indicates whether we want an exact match or an approximate match. With just one simple formula, we have efficiently summed up the sales data for the specified item across various months, saving us valuable time and effort. Just change the criteria and see the relevant result. Now, if we want to calculate the sales for quarter 1, then just mention the columns number 2, 3 and 4. Hit enter and get the result. Similarly, we can calculate sales for quarter 2, but this will be done by you. Please calculate using the formula and share the answer in comments. The technique of combining SUM with VLOOKUP offers several advantages. It allows for dynamic summation based on a lookup value. Instead of manually summing values from different columns, the formula automatically retrieves and sums the relevant data based on lookup value. It simplifies complex data analysis tasks by consolidating the lookup and summation process into a single formula. The formula is highly flexible and can be easily adapted to different datasets and analysis scenarios. By leveraging the VLOOKUP function, which ensures accurate retrieval of data based on specific criteria, the technique helps maintain data accuracy and integrity in the analysis process. It saves time by automating the summation process, especially for large datasets or when performing repetitive analysis. Overall, the combination of SUM and with VLOOKUP enhances productivity, accuracy, and efficiency in the data analysis task. making it a valuable technique for Excel users. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more Excel tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.